the Congress party with the opposition has to have a joint strategy, and we will definitely work towards raising issues pertaining to Goa and Goans. लायटीचो इश्यू जेन्ना आमी प्रत्येक टायमी ह्या विधानसभेन मांडलोलो की that commitment given by this government that the rate would not be hiked to 3.5%. Basically, this government is insensitive towards the hardship faced by the common people or by Goans. 1,400 crore revenue. They have failed to recover this revenue from industrial and government defaulters, some or even of the electricity department. Why do you burden the common man? This government has failed to reduce these power losses and control these power thefts. Immediately you have to roll back this increased power tariff and recovery of 1,400 crores. Prava also is defunct. जे member केल्ले ते chairman फकत 3 म्हयन्या केल्ले. Smart city, we will demand an audit report and a white paper on this smart city works. Privatization of South Goa District Hospital, we will oppose completely. And culture chair faith of Kala Academy. Now this Kala Academy was also highlighted in yesterday don disadi ami. But stop putting this blame game. I believe someone has to take the responsibility. My priority has always been to unitedly fight this government. We have definitely won with this model in South Goa.